Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Threads. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account that you wish to delete within the application using your Instagram. After logging in, you will be taken into your Threads homepage from which you can watch various different posts and threads. Now, if you wish to delete your account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top right. Now, from this page, go ahead and tap on Account, and you will now see the Deactivate or Delete Profile option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will now be told that deactivation is temporary, whilst deleting your account is permanent. You have the option to choose whether you would like to deactivate or delete. Tap on the Delete Profile button in order to proceed with deleting. And once you have verified your identity and gone through with the delete process, you will be logged out from your Threads account, and now your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you log back in before 30 days has passed, your account will once again be reinstated. Otherwise, it will be deleted permanently in 30 days. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Threads application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.